We're here at the University of Strathclyde in our Teaching and Learning building to celebrate International Women in Engineering Day. It's really important that we have events like this just to showcase the sort of breadth of engineering jobs and opportunities that there are. Engineering isn't just about getting your hands dirty or being under a car or all the other things that maybe people think that engineering is. There are so many opportunities and jobs available for people studying engineering. And what we want to do today is make sure that people go away from this event knowing something about the opportunities that there are.
So we're in the University of Strathclyde today with SSEN, celebrating International Women in Engineering Day. We're bringing together over 200 young women so as they can learn from their peers and so as they can learn from students and the wider industry all about the exceptional opportunities that engineering can offer them in the future.
It's so important that we mark this occasion because there's so many young females out there that don't know that there's jobs out there that exist for them, and the world of engineering has got so many incredible role models that are females in this sector, and today is all about igniting that spark, showcasing the amazing role models that are here and within the sector, and tell them about all the creative jobs that they can have within the world of engineering.
A lot of young women and girls may not automatically think about engineering or a career in STEM, but it is a really great home for us. I'm really proud to be a woman in STEM and a woman in engineering. The key thing is that, first of all, we need more women in these roles in engineering. And secondly, another really important thing to note is that you don't just have to be an engineer. There are so many different roles, so many different disciplines that play an important part in engineering projects.
So delighted to be here today at Strathclyde University with our large capital delivery team and the SmartSTEM team. Delighted to have over 200 girls from across Glasgow here to understand a wee bit more about engineering, but importantly the role that SSE distribution can play. As we make this journey towards our future energy network and the transition, there's lots of opportunities across SSE distribution and across the engineering world. I'm delighted today to have invited my daughter along. She's 15, she's going into 5th year at school and is currently deciding what her future may be. And it's not just about jobs within engineering, there are lots of jobs within SSE distribution. So today we are showcasing not just the engineering but the best of SSE distribution as well.
So after school, I'm interested in going to uni and doing uni. Also, I would go into apprenticeships and go and see into a work environment. Being here today, I've got to see that there's loads of different paths you can go. You don't just have to go to uni, you can literally do anything and you'll end up in any field of work kind of thing. I want to go to uni to do law and public affairs, but I know that's not the only way to do it. And learning today at this event that there's loads of ways to do that, as well as in school, but being here and seeing role models of what way I can go is really interesting.
These events are absolutely critical for our future. We have to have a diverse workforce if we want diverse thinking, and we've got to put pay to the legacy that we've all got here with far too many male-orientated decisions being made in our sector.
So as a woman in the marine environment, there's lots of different challenges. Definitely being one of the only women surrounded by 100 men is just difficult because you're the odd one out. But I would say it definitely teaches a lot about yourself, and if you're strong and you've got the right attitude, you can get things done.
So currently I head up the strategic engineering teams and the sustainability and climate teams within SSEN distribution, covering both of our licence areas. I studied engineering when I was very young. Studied in transmission business as a civil engineer and worked my way through different areas. Always a really strong passion for the environment and sustainability, and now my role joins both of those together and I get to solve the world's problems every day.
Hello, my role currently is Social Obligations Manager, so I look after people that could be vulnerable when the power goes off. My path wasn't the conventional path. I initially started studying fashion and textiles, and during a gap year I went into the engineering industry and started as a call advisor and moved through different roles through seeing different opportunities. If you're thinking that a career in STEM isn't for you, don't be put off, because there's lots of different opportunities that can come up. Everyone's got different skills and talents that they can bring and it's not as black and white as that you have to do science and maths. You've got other things that you can bring and flourish in that role and environment.
Hi, I'm a castmate, and one thing I learned at this International Women in Engineering Day that completely changed how I look at STEM is women can do so much more than you think and are capable of achieving great things.
My name is Isha, and before coming to this event today, I didn't think I could be an engineer, but now I know that I can.
Hi, my name is Aratrika. The best part about meeting women in engineering was that maybe I could be a woman here today or someday, and I can inspire other children too.
Hi, I'm Ella, and I think it's so important that we have an International Women in Engineering Day because engineering is all about making changes and trying something new, and we need all people's opinions and all people's thoughts to make a positive change in the world.